In today's video, I am going to teach you how to review Constant Contact. This process is useful if you have used Constant Contact and want to share your experience with other people who are comparing email marketing tools, automation platforms, or customer communication software. A clear review can help future users understand what the platform does well, where it may be limited, and what kind of experience they can expect. To begin, open your web browser and go to a major software or customer review website. One common option is Trustpilot, but the exact layout may vary slightly depending on the review site you choose. Once the website loads, use the search bar to look for Constant Contact. Make sure you are selecting the official Constant Contact profile, not a similarly named page or an unrelated listing. This helps ensure your review appears in the correct place and is useful to people researching the platform. After you are on the Constant Contact profile page, take a moment to look over the page. You may see an overall rating, previous customer reviews, and basic information about the company or product. Look for the button that says Write a Review or something very similar. It is usually placed near the top of the profile page, close to the rating summary. Click that button when you are ready to begin writing your own review. The review website may ask you to log in or create an account before you can continue. This is a normal part of the process and is used to verify your identity and reduce fake reviews. If you already have an account on that review website, choose the login option and enter your account details. If you do not have an account, choose the option to create one and follow the prompts on screen. If any personal information is shown while you are doing this, keep it private and do not include it in your review. Once you are logged in, you should be taken to the review form for Constant Contact. The first thing you will usually need to do is select a star rating. Most review sites use a scale from 1 to 5 stars. A 1-star rating generally means you had a very poor experience, while a 5-star rating means you had an excellent experience. Choose the rating that best matches your honest opinion of Constant Contact. Try to base your rating on your actual use of the platform, such as ease of use, available features, customer support, pricing, performance, or overall value. After selecting your rating, move on to the written review fields. Many review forms ask for separate sections, such as pros, cons, and overall experience. In the pros section, describe what worked well for you. This could include things like a simple interface, useful email templates, contact management tools, reporting features, or helpful support. Keep your comments specific and clear so readers can understand exactly what you liked. Next, fill out the cons section. This is where you can mention anything that did not meet your expectations. For example, you might describe areas that felt confusing, features you felt were missing, or parts of the experience that could be improved. Keep the tone respectful and factual. A balanced review is often more helpful than one that is only positive or only negative. Then complete the overall experience field. This is your chance to summarize your full impression of Constant Contact in a few sentences or a short paragraph. You can explain how you used the platform, whether it met your needs, and who you think it may be best suited for. Before submitting, quickly read through your review to make sure it is accurate, clear, and does not include any private information. When everything looks good, click the Submit button. The review website may publish your review right away, or it may review it first before posting it publicly. Once submitted, your feedback can help other users make a more informed decision, and that is all there is to it.